I am making a delicious, nutritious chicken and vegetable one-pot dinner. And I love this supper, and so does my husband. It's a very fast preparation, and it will be baked in the oven at 425 Fahrenheit for 50 minutes. Alright, let's get started. And first, I use 1 onion and some carrots and a cup of potatoes, 1 medium size onion, remove this root part of the onion. Cut onion into wedges. Directly put in a cast iron pan. And we're going to bake this dinner in this one iron pan. I like to use cast iron cookwells, and it helps me to know that my family get enough iron. Cut a few carrots. I cut the potato at the same size, about the same size as the size of the carrots, so they can cook evenly together. And I use a half teaspoon herb salt, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, use my hands, give a good massage. And break some of these big pieces of onion apart. Cook evenly. Okay, we set it to the side. We use it later. I use 4 pieces of chicken thighs. I chose the young chicken, so it's easier to cook and also taste tender. And most important part is not much of fat. So we're trying to have delicious, easy to cook, and nutritious food as well. And I season this chicken thigh with 1 teaspoon of herb salt. And I also use one teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of rubbed sage, and use 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil, and give it a good massage. Make sure you rub the seasoning and salt mixtures, oil mixtures on both sides of the chicken thigh. Then we just lay the chicken thigh, skin side up. On top of the vegetables, like that. And then we heat our oven to 425 Fahrenheit and set the rack at the mid position. It's done. It's over 180 degrees. The potato is very creamy. Cooking it this way, since I did not use water, and so the potato kept its own quality, its structure. It's so creamy, so delicious. The skin is very crispy. Baking is also another way to eat healthier. You get a crispy chicken skin, and without the extra oil comes along with deep frying. So baking is a alternative way to making a healthier meal. Once again, Ronald is in the middle of a cheesecake. Ronald is in the middle of a chest gain, tibia, hair So happy eating, happy cooking. Most importantly, eat healthy.